Hello children, welcome to EVS class. In your previous class, you learnt about some physical characteristics of water. Those are: water has weight. Water flows from higher level to lower level. Water evaporates when it boils. And water takes the shape of the container. So now let us learn the biological importance of water. Organisms have enormous quantity of water in their body. Enormous quantity means big amount of or large quantity. So all organisms have large quantity of water in their body. Organisms means ಜೀವಿಗಳು. Plants and animals have 70% of water in their body. So all animals and plants body is covered by 70% of water. Origin of very early life took place in water. Beginning of the life or the first life is started or developed in water itself. Water is essential for biological activities of plants and animals. Water is required for the growth of plants. Without water, plants can't grow. Green plants need water for the production of their food, and we depend on the plants for our food. In page number 91, one activity is given here. Think what happens if required quantity of water is not supplied to plants. If required quantity of water is not supplied to plants, what happens, children? Then the plants become die. Their growth will be damaged. See in this picture. See here in this picture. This right side plant which got correct quantity of water, it got required quantity of water, so it is healthy. All its leaves are green in color. And this left side plant, see here, this plant not got required amount of water, that's why it looks dry and its leaves are falling down here. This plant is not straight, so this plant leaves are falling down. It is not a healthy plant. So we should water the plants regularly. We should supply required amount of water to the plants. Our elders treated this precious water as an integral part of their life. It is an important part of our elders' life. They given a lot of importance to water in their family rituals. Have you observed this at your home or in your neighborhood? According to that, you give the answers for these questions. Which are the practices of worshipping water that you have seen in your home or in your neighborhood? When are they celebrated? Right here. So we use water for many family rituals. like in marriage and in some festivals like a Holi festival and Deepavali festival. We respect water and we pray to rivers. We worship to rivers. And in many pujas like Kalasha Puja we use water. For Pada Puja and Punya Snana and we do Varuna Yajna for a good amount of rain. So these are some rituals we observe in our neighborhood. So next question is, how do water sources get polluted? Water is physically polluted by mud, garbage, paper, etc. So throwing garbage and paper and all unwanted things in the water is a reason for polluting water. Water mixed with the industrial chemicals, chemical fertilizers and insecticides which have dangerous components turns the water poisonous. Mixing the industrial wastage into the water is very harmful and it turns the water poisonous. Drinking this water may cause many diseases. So, drinking this polluted water may cause many diseases like cholera, dysentery, diarrhea, vomiting, typhoid, diphtheria, hepatitis, kidney damage, nerve disorders, skin lesions, etc. Sometimes it may even lead to death also. And this contaminated water destroy the aquatic life also. Aquatic life means plant and animals which live in water. So different aquatic animals also die because of this water pollution. You know about the disease cholera which caused by contaminated water, polluted water. Mosquitoes breed on stagnant water. Stagnant water means there is no flow of water. We can see these in ditches. These mosquitoes spread malaria disease. The parasite means organism which depends on other organism. So the parasite named Plasmodium is present in the body of the female mosquito called Anopheles. So this parasite enters the human blood when this Anopheles mosquito bites us, and it leads to symptoms of fever, shivering, vomiting and headache. This is called malaria. These are all symptoms of malaria. Which are those? Fever, shivering, vomiting and headache. These are all the symptoms of malaria. If proper treatment is not given, it may causes death also. So it is very dangerous. That's why we have to avoid the spread of these diseases. We must keep our surroundings clean. So we must keep all sources of water clean. We must use mosquito nets while sleeping. Spray oil or kerosene or insecticides on stagnated water. If water is to be stored, keep a lid on the vessel. So always keep a lid on the vessel. Storage water should be covered. So we should not drink contaminated water. Means we should not drink polluted water. Health can be maintained properly by drinking potable water. Potable water means water which is fit for drinking is called potable water or a pure water. We must drink pure water for our good health. We must drink pure water for better living. Water is very precious, so we must stop water polluting. We must maintain cleanliness in the sources of water. It is everyone's duty to save water. So let's save the water together.